Yeah, well, I managed to get the Git2 paired to the wrist remote. Simple problem, the battery in the wrist remote was faulty. I put a multimeter on it earlier to test it. It was showing charge. The moment I put a slight load on it, it dropped, so it was a faulty battery. Got rid of it, put a new battery in, and it is working perfect, so I'm happy with that. Now, what we'll do, we'll just simply turn the little camera on. Again, just hold the button in the front, hold it for a couple of seconds, and get a bit of a beep, and away she goes. Now I'll just put it down there, upside down a little bit, so you got an idea of it's working. Now I have encountered one other little problem. That's my Wi-Fi button on the top. It works when I turn the camera on for the first time. If I hold it down for a couple of seconds, as you can see, Wi-Fi is working. Now I have had an issue with it earlier, so if I turn it off, right, Wi-Fi is now off. We're recording, turn the recording off, taking a photo. Now to come back to Wi-Fi, nothing, absolutely nothing. So bearing that in mind, what I suggest is obviously if you intend to use Wi-Fi, you turn the camera on first, use the Wi-Fi button, everything will be sweet, works perfect. If you want to use the wrist remote simply for turning on, recording and taking photos, again that'll work great. But if you use either of these buttons first and then come back to the Wi-Fi like I'm showing you now, nothing happens. Flashes away madly with the LED lights, but absolutely nothing happens. Press the off button, which works perfect. Look at that, love it. I'll show you with the little camera using the Wi-Fi, and I'll put my camera in, well, not my camera, I should say my mobile phone over, and we'll check the recording using this button on the wrist remote. Now I've just turned the camera on. I'll just press the Wi-Fi button. Wi-Fi is now on. I'll go to my mobile phone, and in order to use the actual app on my phone, I'm running Android 6.01. Every single time I turn on the camera, I have to go and look for the app itself, which, oh, there it comes. And every single time it fires up, it will not automatically reconnect. I have to manually reconnect. So just hit that button there, click connect. It's now happy, doing what it's meant to do. Get out of that, fire up the little app, which is FinalCam. Hopefully it'll work for me, and there we go. So every single time that has to be done. It does work, as I said. I'm quite happy with that. Now what I haven't tried is actually seeing if I can press a button and record at the same time. Let's see what happens. No, it doesn't seem to want to. It clicks saying that it's recording. I don't think that was designed to do that, but it doesn't matter. See if it takes a photo. Beeps to indicate that it's doing something, but I can't see anything on the screen, so I'm guessing the answer is no. I'll press Wi-Fi again to see if it turns off. Now that should have turned off. Yep. And see what's happening. Yep, Wi-Fi is now turned off. Wonder if I can take a recording. Let's see. Yep, it records. Turn it off again. Let's see if the Wi-Fi will work again. That's a problem I've been having. Yep. Connect it again. See if that's... No. Nope. Well, we're back to that again. So every single time Wi-Fi is dropped, it has to manually be turned back on again. And apart from that, everything works fine. So it's just one of those little things in the software, and if a few people were having hassles, which I have read, they can't get the Wi-Fi to connect properly, well, it's just simply go to your settings, look for the app, and look for the Wi-Fi setting, I should say, and look for the Gitup and connect it. And if you do that every single time, you'll be fine. And I'm sure eventually there'll be a fix out that'll hopefully work on my phone. But such is life. Apart from that, great camera, love it so far, really enjoying it.